Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit on that subscribe button and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in Deepseek using your Google account. It's a quick and easy way to access your account without having to remember any other password. So let's get started. First thing first, you'll need to be on the Deepseek login page. If you are not there yet, open up your app and head over to the login screen. On the login screen, look for the sign in button. It should have the familiar Google logo. Simply click on the sign in with Google button. Now a pop-up icon will appear asking you to grant a permission. Click on agree. A new window will pop up asking you to select your Google account. You'll see a list of accounts. Choose the Google account you want to use for Deepseek. Once you select your Google account, Deepseek may ask you permission to access some of your Google account information. Click Allow to grant the permission again. You are now signed in to Deepseek using your Google account. And that's it. You can now access your dashboard, profile, and all of the Deepseek features. That's how easy it is to sign in to your Deepseek using Google. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like button, share it with others, and subscribe for more tutorial on Deepseek. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.